Hey, everyone. Did you know you can use multiple Telegram accounts on one phone without switching devices or logging out? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add another Telegram account on iPhone step by step. It's 100% free, safe, and takes less than a minute. Let's go. Open Telegram. Press the settings button in the lower right corner. Select Add Account. Enter the phone number of the second account. Telegram will send a confirmation code, as with regular registration. Enter the code, set up a name if this is a new account, and you're done. Now you can instantly switch between accounts. This way you can separate a personal, work, or even anonymous account. No need to clone apps. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Telegram tips. Drop a comment how many Telegram accounts do you use. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.